Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the BMW X5 on a 71 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the vehicle first. The tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can either do that from the key or from the tailgate itself. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space, of course. We have the cables there for the plug-in hybrid element of this vehicle. You can also open this section down, should you wish to extend this boot space slightly further for ease of access. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in, and as I mentioned, we'll run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, firstly you can see the alloy wheels are all in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the car. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. Over on that far left-hand side, we have the fuel gauge, and then working right, the speedometer, a digital readout for the speedometer. And on the right-hand side, we have the necessary gauges for the hybrid element. So it shows you how much power you're using. Your battery charge level is over there as well. You can change the trip computer information displayed in this car, as you can see, with a button push on the left-hand stalk. It will show you what gear this car is in, fully automatic, and all the way around to the total miles of the car, which are 38,625. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we have our cruise control and speed limiter over on this left-hand side. Lane departure warning system as well. Over on the right-hand side, we've got our stereo and phone controls, and behind the steering wheel, the plus and minus paddle so that you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Into the center next, the main touchscreen. This car's got BMW's professional nav, so this extra wide display that you see here, and of course it's all touchscreen. You don't have to use the touchscreen though. You can see the movement I'm making currently on the screen. That is being done using the iDrive system, which is essentially this dial just here, the collection of buttons that surround it as well. We have our gear lever here, which we'll come to in just a moment. But using this dial, you can enter your media menu, which is where you'll listen to your AM, FM and DAB radio, Bluetooth audio, screen mirroring, so you can project certain BMW friendly apps up onto this screen should you wish to. You can come back to the home screen from here as well, where you can pair your phone, access your satellite navigation, your car menu, so various settings, etc., all from here. And you can pair up your phone for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you'll see that we've got a 360 parking camera. So reversing camera on the left-hand side, bird's eye view image over on that right-hand side. Working our way down, we then have the climate control for the car. So you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed on both sides of the car independently of one another. You can turn your air conditioning on and off, of course. You can see it's on at the moment. Or you can just hit auto. Again, independently on both sides of the car. The vehicle will now take control of the fan speed, which you can hear it doing, and the direction of the air for me to maintain this temperature essentially. And you can go back to your own settings whenever you want, and of course you can do that on the passenger side as well. We have a heated driver's seat with 3 different heat settings, and the same for the passenger side. Below the screen here we have our physical controls for the stereo, so the volume, radio presets you can save to here, plenty of storage, USB input, 2 cup holders and a 12-volt charging socket. You can of course close this over should you wish to. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, which I mentioned already, and the indicator for what gear you're in just here. We then have various camera settings, reversing sensors. You can turn the traction control on and off. This button starts and stops the car itself. We have different driving modes, all accessed with a button push just here, and an electronic handbrake as well. You can also then, using this control, adjust the ride height of the vehicle. Last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork we have for the car. So in the envelope is the spare key. We have 2 keys in total, of course, and the V5 registration document showing it's a 1-owner car from new.
All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you.